Hi friends, Emre Ata here. I have been in the Binance affiliate program for many years. Today I will introduce the new code I prepared for 2026. I'll introduce the 2026 best code. Also, I'll show how new Binance users with this code can trade tokenized US stocks. How can they buy and sell tokenized American stocks like Tesla, SpaceX, or Nvidia? How are they able to buy and sell them in spot market? And what about leverage trading? I am going to demonstrate all of this to you step by step. To begin with, I would like to explain the purpose of these codes and the benefits they provide. 2026 Best Code is a special code I have created for the year 2026, which I am offering to all new users. Best Code Max and Futures Max work the same way. I have created these different versions so that the relevant people can easily use them. What are these codes for? When you open a new Binance account using one of these codes, you will receive a lifetime 20% commission rebate on all your spot trades. You get a 10% commission rebate on leverage trades. I recommend that you research whether Binance's leverage transactions are active or legal in the geography you live in according to regulations. But rest assured that all these codes offer you the highest advantages. Now, in the later minutes of the video, I will show you how to trade tokenized American stocks, how to trade on the spot market, how to trade with leverage, and how to open long or short positions. Let us get into the video. Yes, friends, on the Binance sign-up page, my code, one of the best for 2026 Best Code, will appear this way. It offers great benefits. A lifetime 20% spot commission rebate, and you will be able to receive a 10% commission rebate on leverage transactions. The situation for leverage trading may vary in your country based on regulations, so it is worth checking. When creating an account, you can enter your email address or phone number here. You can also create an account with your Google account, Apple account, or Telegram account. The important thing here is that you need to see my name, nickname, and code. Now we have come to the Binance homepage. With the referral code 2026 Best Code, the second step you need to follow after opening an account is to perform KYC verification, which is account verification. You can use your passport, national ID, driver's license, or residence permit. You can do this verification, friends. It takes a very short time. It will be enough to deliver the relevant documents in your hand to the Binance Global team with your phone. In the next step, now I will show you the following. How do you deposit money? You click on the wallet section. From there, you click on the yellow Add Money button. Select the option that is most suitable for you. I will choose to buy with US dollars. You can select any option you prefer here. I am selecting Visa MasterCard and clicking Confirm. I entered $500 here as an example. It says Preview Order. After you click that, if you click Confirm, you will have bought $500 worth of stablecoin. Let me show them too. I am currently buying Tether, USDT. There is also USDC here, as you can see. You can choose one of these. Now with 2026 Best Code, how will you trade in a Binance Global account opened? First, I will show you how to trade with tokenized American stocks. Click the Market section at the bottom left. Look, there are Crypto, TradeFi, Alpha. There are many options. I clicked on TradeFi here. For example, I clicked on Nvidia. This is the trading page. I clicked Buy. The reds you see on the left are sell orders. The greens are buy orders, friends. The one in the middle is Nvidia's current price. I clicked one of the first two reds. I had $500, so I entered 500. When I click buy, it executes. When I want to sell, I click on the sell section this time. From the prices in green on the left, from the top, I will choose one of the first two this time. I click here, for example, I wrote 2.5 and I clicked on sell. This is how you can trade tokenized American stocks. Their commission fees are different. You can check this on the relevant page. Now, altogether, in the Binance Global account that we opened using the 2026 Best Code, I will show you how to trade altcoins. I am clicking on crypto here. I clicked USDT. Now, for example, I want to choose a crypto. Let's pick an altcoin. I am clicking on Ethereum. As you can see, if you click on the info section, it will show you all the details about Ethereum. Now, I will show you how to trade here. I clicked on buy. As you see on the left, it's the same. Reds are sell orders, greens are buy orders, and the middle is the current Ethereum price. Now I clicked on the first of the reds to buy. I wrote 500 here. When I click buy ETH, I buy Ethereum. When selling, I am clicking on the sell section this time. I click on one of the green ones on the left. Let us say 0.5, for example. If I click on the sell button from here, my sell order will be executed. That's how altcoin trading works, friends. Now, if you wish, I will show you leveraged transactions. We click on futures from here. When you click here, the system may subject you to a test because you are a new user. If you make the relevant clicks in the necessary places here, if you fill out the relevant form, the system will open. And by the way, I want to state this. Leverage trading is very risky. What is stop loss? Learn this. For this, invite you to Binance Global's Academy pages. How to make money in leverage transactions on Binance Global Academy pages. How to open long short. You can learn the details of these. Now, first of all, there is cross and isolated here. If you do cross, this can affect your wallet. It can affect all the money in your wallet, that is, all your money. If you choose isolated, you trade with the money you transferred to leverage transaction. I clicked leverage. See, there is 1 to 150 leverage available. These are very risky. For instance, we are at 10x. You can set it to 50 times, 60 times, or you can set it to 5 times. Experts say do not exceed 3 or 5 times. That is up to you. We chose isolated, cross or isolated. That is something you will choose. We chose the leverage amount. We said 5 times. Here, on the left, click red and from the price here. For example, however many X long you will open. By entering the price, you can click on X long here. To open short, click on sell here. Select one of the green options, and then after that, for example, I entered $500. I confirmed it. The moment I click sell short, I will have opened a short position. But of course, these are definitely not investment advice. You must learn to use stop loss, friends. Explore the Binance Academy pages. This will help you stay safer when using leverage. It is truly a very volatile market. A lot of events can occur throughout the day. For this reason, today, crypto is affected by news and country decision. Considering that it is affected too much, it is good to follow news. Yes, friends, I showed my referral codes. I showed how to buy and sell tokenized American stocks. I showed how to trade in spot transactions. I showed how to open leverage in leverage transactions. How to long or short. I have shown you these things. I hope you enjoyed the video. Apart from that, I would like to say please visit the Binance Global Academy pages, learn how to read charts, learn FUD and FOMO. And most importantly, learn how you can do your own analysis yourself. See you in the next video. Bye. Regards, Emre Ata.